With almost 6 years of setup during One Piece's longest saga ever, the Wano arc finally began in the manga during July of 2018. The anime finally reached that point around a year later with a bang. They had an actual trailer for this arc, that's how hyped up this was. When I clicked that trailer back then, I was not expecting this absolutely glorious, brightly colored Sakuga-filled treat, yet that's what we received. Something I could not even fathom being possible at the time. The One Piece anime is now the most visually appealing it's ever looked, though as for audio, I sadly can't say the same. When I say audio though, I don't mean the music, the new songs in Wano are superb. No, what I'm referring to is those ear-grating sound effects. They seem to ruin, or maybe not even ruin, perhaps just lessen a scene when you hear them. I'll play one for you now. Can you guess which one is ear grating? You know, I said sound effects earlier, but I think this is the only one I'm really annoyed about. What's worse is that they've been using that sword slash sound effect, which sounds like it came from a Flash game, throughout quite literally the entire show. Same sound, right? Or at least extremely similar. There's a ton of other ones I didn't highlight as well. I don't want to end on a negative note though, because Toei has been killing it with some of the newer sound effects. I especially want to highlight how terrifying Hawken's ability sounds. Nightmare fuel, right? Anyway, I don't know why I made that big intro and everything, but I just wanted to highlight the quite annoying sound effects from One Piece. We really need some replacements.